Today we're going to take a look at Naked Armor's Aftershave All-Purpose Balm with hemp. Naked Armor sells this aftershave balm in a hefty 4-ounce glass container with a half-turn tin lid. The scent of this balm is, to me, I smell a bit of citrus, a bit of eucalyptus, and a bit of all of the other natural scents that are in this from the ingredients list. Speaking of the ingredients, they are all natural, which is always a plus in my eyes. The ingredients in this balm are all natural, and they include sunflower seed oil, castor seed oil, cocoa butter, hemp oil, beeswax, vitamin E, rosemary leaf oil, cypress oil, eucalyptus leaf oil, cedar oil, sandalwood oil, rosemary leaf extract, as well as calendula oil. Now, as you heard, it has hemp oil in it. Now, why would you add a hemp oil to something like a aftershave? Well, there's a couple of really good reasons for that. And I think the main one, which kind of covers all of them, is that it is a great moisturizer that doesn't clog pores. If you get clogged pores from things that you're putting on your face, obviously you can get acne easier, you can get blemishes easier, and it can also help with overproduction of oils on your skin. When your skin gets too dried out, it can overproduce the natural oils that your body naturally produces. So with using a product that has hemp oil in it, it can help all around with helping your skin and your face look healthier. To pick yourself up some of this aftershave all-purpose balm, make sure to check out nakedarmor.com.